In this tutorial, I will show you how to import 3D animated model in After Effects. Let's start the tutorial. Search for sketchfab.com to download 3D animated model. Type animated dragon in search tab. We will download this animated dragon. Click here to download this dragon file. GLB files will work in After Effects. I have already downloaded files. Open After Effects. Import animated model and background in After Effects. I am resizing the background image. Now put dragon file and change angle of it. Now I am going to increase size of dragon. To put light effect, I am going to use environment light. I am increasing its intensity a little bit. Now click on Model File and Open Animation and change Animation option from None to Flying. Checking Preview, now I can see Dragon is animating. Good. After, I will put keyframes on different positions of Dragon. I am again clicking preview. Now I can see smooth animation of flying dragon. Hope you have liked this easy tutorial. Do like and subscribe this channel to get more tutorials.